What do the various dashboard warning lights on the 2022 Ford Mustang Mach-E mean? How can you identify critical alerts from standard notifications? This guide explains the key indicators helping you stand their functions and ensure your vehicle's safety. Instrument cluster.
Cluster indicators. Airbag warning lamp. Anti-lock brake system. Electric park brake warning lamp. Blind spot information system and cross-traffic alert warning lamp. Battery indicator. Door ajar warning lamp. Engine coolant temperature warning lamp. Engine oil pressure warning lamp. Engine warning lamp. Fasten seatbelt warning lamp. High voltage battery. Lift gate ajar. Stop safety. Vehicle plugged in. Low fuel level warning lamp. Parking brake warning lamp. Hood ajar indicator. Powertrain warning lamp. Stability control and traction control indicator. Stability control and traction control off. Warning lamp. Low washer fluid. Tire pressure monitoring system. Warning lamp. Adaptive cruise control indicator. Auto start-stop indicators. Automatic high beam control on indicator. Blind spot information system indicator. Blue cruise indicator. Cruise control indicator. Direction indicator. Eco mode indicator. Efficient drive mode indicator. Front fog lamp indicator. Hazard flasher indicator. High beam headlamp indicator. Lamps on indicator. Lane keeping aid indicator. Lane keeping alert indicator. Malfunction indicator lamp. Mud ruts mode indicator. Ready to drive indicator. Slippery mode indicator. Stability control and traction control indicator. Auto hold indicators. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic. Stay informed on the road with advanced instrument cluster and warning indicator lights. If this guide on lights indicator diagram helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.